Hello everyone! Have you ever heard of Japanese Amazake? Amazake is a Japanese traditional fermented beverage made from rice, and it's called super drink or drinkable IV drip fluid. You can make Amazake at home so incredibly easily, and it's about time that more people start doing it. The first thing we need to do is cooking rice with a rice cooker. Wash 150 grams of dried rice and put them into the rice cooker. And add 306 milliliters of water. Then press the start button with the standard settings. Now rice is ready. Add more 306 milliliters of water into the rice cooker. Mix well and let it cool down until it reaches 60 degrees Celsius. Actually, I don't have a kitchen thermometer, so I check the temperature with my finger. 60 degrees Celsius is easy to touch but hard to keep my finger in for more than a second. But please be careful, don't burn your finger. Then just pour koji in it and it mix together well. And let it sit using keep on function of a rice cooker for 8 to 10 hours. Please make sure to choose extended keep mode, which keeps cooked rice at 60 degrees Celsius. The temperature of regular mode setting is over 70 degrees Celsius, so do not allow the temperature to exceed 60 degrees Celsius, otherwise enzyme produced by koji might not work well. I recommend that you open the rice cooker just 1 hour later and stir them again. This process could help enzymes in koji to break the rice stretches down into simple sugars. Ten hours later, cooked rice and koji turn into liquid form and smell sweet. I usually mix them with a hand blender to make it smooth. Pour Amazake into a bottle container. It can be stored in fridge up to 7 to 10 days. Now Amazake is ready. I think this Amazake is too sweet to drink by itself, so I recommend that you add some milk or water. It tastes good either cold or hot. And this Amazake made from rice and koji is non-alcohol, so if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, child, and having a plan to drive a car, you can enjoy this drink. Enjoy your homemade Amazake at home. Thank you very much for watching.